Preparing lunch, English language learning video. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning video series. In today's episode, we will be focusing on the topic of preparing lunch as part of our morning routine. Preparing lunch is an essential everyday activity, and by learning the relevant vocabulary and phrases, you'll be able to describe this process fluently in English. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the steps of preparing lunch, let's go over some important vocabulary and phrases related to this topic. By understanding and using these words and expressions, you'll be able to communicate effectively in English. 1. Ingredients. These are the individual items or foods that make up a dish. For example, vegetables, meat, bread, or cheese can all be ingredients. 2. Recipe. A recipe is a set of instructions that tell you how to prepare a specific dish. It includes a list of ingredients and the steps to follow. 3. Chop. When you chop something, you cut it into small pieces using a knife. For example, you might need to chop vegetables for a salad or chop fruits for a smoothie. 4. Slice. Slicing is similar to chopping, but it usually involves cutting something into thinner, more uniform pieces. You might need to slice bread or cheese, for instance. 5. Mix. To mix means to combine different ingredients together. You can mix ingredients in a bowl using a spoon or a whisk. 6. Spread. When you spread something, you apply it evenly over a surface. You might spread butter on bread or spread sauce on a pizza. 7. Pack. Packing refers to putting food into containers or lunchboxes to take it with you. You can pack sandwiches, fruits, or snacks for your lunch. Now that we have covered the important vocabulary and phrases, let's move on to the next section. Preparing lunch can vary depending on the type of meal you want to make. However, there are some common steps that you can follow. Let's go through them together. 1. Plan your meal. Decide what you want to eat for lunch and make a list of the ingredients you'll need. 2. Gather the ingredients. Collect all the necessary ingredients from your pantry, refrigerator, or grocery store. 3. Wash and prepare the ingredients. Clean and cut the vegetables, meat, or any other items that need preparation. 4. Follow the recipe. If you're using a recipe, read it carefully and follow the instructions step by step. 5. Cook or assemble the meal. Depending on the dish, you might need to cook the ingredients or simply assemble them together. 6. Pack the lunch. Once the meal is ready, pack it in a container or lunchbox if you're taking it with you. 7. Clean up. After preparing lunch, remember to clean the utensils, cutting board, and any other items you used during the process. By following these steps, you'll be able to prepare your lunch smoothly and efficiently. Congratulations! You have now learned the vocabulary, phrases, and steps to prepare lunch as part of your morning routine. Practicing these words and phrases will help you confidently describe the process in English, and following the steps will ensure a delicious and well-prepared meal. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next English language learning episode. Keep up the great work, and until next time, happy learning!